Hey, welcome to another guitar lesson. Today we are going to learn Sunflower. Sunflower uses only open strings. This is a really easy version of the song. If you'd like a harder version, just click the next video. This is only single strings and is really meant for kids to get them introduced from moving from string to string and to learn string names. So the first string that we're going to play is D. D is the third from the top. 1, 2, 3, third from the top. The second we're going to play is G. G is the fourth from the top. Then we're going to play low E. Low E is the top string. And then we're going to play G again. So each one of these for Sunflower to play along with the recording, we're going to play them twice, but it is a rhythm kind of like this. D, 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 then G, 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 E, 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 then G, 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 G. Again. So each one is 4 times. D, 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 G, 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 E, 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 then G, 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 G. So practice that a few times without the recording and then try it with the recording and see how you do. Check out the next video for a more intermediate version. And if you like these videos, click subscribe.